Hello, I'm Leroy Kane, and this is Around My House, and I'm going to tell you a funny story about this bird book. So a few years ago, we were putting seed out for the birds, and of course you'd look up and see birds that you didn't recognize, and we kept it right over here. So one day I came and I sat down and I looked over, and there was something odd about the book. So I walked over and looked at it. What's different about this book? So a few days later, I was sitting around with my mom, and I said, "There's something odd about that book. I could have sworn it used to be red. Now it's green. It's really weird. It seems to be the same book. We could have sworn it was red." And she started laughing at me, and she said, "Well, you're right. It actually was red." So the thing was, the first book we got, for some odd reason, was the Western United States. So that was red. But then she had gotten the Eastern United States, where we are, and it's green. But they look awfully much the same other than the color, and they do actually, in small print, say Eastern and Western. And she was like, "Well, I just wanted to see how long it would take you to notice that they were different." And I said, "Well, I noticed almost right away. It's just I wasn't sure why the book changed color. I didn't realize you got a different book. I thought I was just having some mental issue." So that's the funny story about the book. And if you watched really carefully in the video, I pulled a trick on you too. Did you figure out what it was? So thanks for watching my video, and like my videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.